Hello guys, welcome to a Minecraft Let's Play video, and today we will be playing a Minecraft Let's Play video, and today, my friends, we haven't been playing for a while, so just one match I can do. I'm only gonna do one match and then the game's over, so yeah. Beep beep. That's the y'all should name the video beep beep. And yeah. So if you want to, you can help me. We could make a TV show. And no, not a TV show, a YouTube shows. And it's gonna be called Minecraft Mania. And yeah. And then yeah, it's gonna be good. And then the main characters is gonna be Dark Shadow and Flinga. No, it's gonna be this person named Jeff. And yeah. And Dark Shadow, he's gonna be from the Nether. And Jeff, he's from Earth. And then we're gonna have like 100 episodes. So, and then on the last episode, on the very last episode, Jeff and Dark Shadow's gonna fight, and Dark Shadow's gonna win and teleport to the Nether where he's from. That means Jeff can't kill him or nothing. And then that's when Dark Shadow's gonna rip his head off, and that's when that's when Dark Shadow's gonna take Jeff's head to Earth, and then show his mother that he killed him, and then that's when Dark Shadow leaves the house to Nether, Jeff is gonna come back to life because he's from the Earth, and yeah, they're gonna just fight again, and it's gonna be a tie, and then they still gonna like each other like into like 20 years, and then they're gonna be adults, and then they're gonna have jobs, and then next season of MCPE, I'll tell you the rest, okay? Anyways, I'm trying to do one command on my computer, and I want this to be good. Episode 4. I said I was going to be undefeated. Finally. Okay. Sorry for the background noise. Wow. Well, that will be it for this video. And please subscribe. And beep beep. That will be for the video. Yeah. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.